The other day I created this fall-inspired pour, and I really like the swipe color, which is a Prussian blue mixed with a little bit of black. So I'm doing something similar today, but I'm switching out the colors. I'm still using the glue and water pouring medium. It's 60% white glue and 40% water. And the swipe color will be the same color. It's the Prussian blue phthalo mixed with a little bit of oxide black. I mixed up my colors a couple days ago, and I found that these fluoro colors, fluorescent colors that are transparent, really thickened up. I'm not sure why. So I have a mixture of Amsterdam and Liquitex, and it was the Liquitex that really thickened up. So I had to add a little bit more pouring medium and then lots of water in some of these, especially the fluoro red. It really thickened up. These are my colors. Liquitex fluorescent green. This is a mixture of Amsterdam nickel titanium yellow, which is a opaque color, mixed with it's half and half, mixed with fluorescent yellow, which is transparent. This is azo orange and it's semi-transparent, and that's mixed with transparent fluorescent orange. So this is Amsterdam and Liquitex. And this is the Liquitex fluorescent red all by itself, the one that really thickened up. So my paints are still very thick, and I don't want to keep adding more water. And this is, I'll just put a drizzle of white over the colors to brighten them up. Not that they need brightening, but this is opaque, so I thought, well, maybe I need another opaque color, titanium white. So I'll put the recipes in the description below. The paints were mixed 1.5 parts pouring medium, the glue and water, to 1 part paint. After torching, I got some cells with the silicone. I don't want to torch that one anymore because I like the minimal look. but I want to leave the silicone one as is. I'm sure they'll just keep growing and growing, these cells. Humongous cells. And I didn't torch very much either. And I only used one tiny drop of silicone oil in the cell activator. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And that's it for today. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.